This is what YouTube taught me in TikTok, so we're gonna go with this. What's up? You know, it's not a 30-inch bust down, but it's an 18-inch bust down.
Thunder, baby, I wonder, baby, I wonder, put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you.
What's up, Taylor Serena Show? Welcome back to the Taylor. Wait. So y'all remember in the last video when I said I was doing a wig review? Okay, in the last video I remember I was like, I'm gonna do me installing a wig because I've never installed a wig before. So I don't know how this is about to look when I did the wig review. So guess what I'm gonna be doing today? You know, it's not a 30-inch bust down, but it's an 18-inch bust down. But when I put it on, hopefully it's still a bust down. So here's the wig. It's the black one that I had in the last video. I don't know if you guys, if you didn't watch that video, go watch that video. So far I've bleached the knots on it and I've plucked it and I gave myself a middle part. Yeah guys, I'm gonna be installing this wig. Let's get straight into the video because I know I can talk a lot. Alright, don't come at me how I look now, but usually one thing about me, if my hair look crazy, I'm not going anywhere. I don't care if it's a party, I don't care what it is. If my hair looks bad, I'm not going anywhere. So I watch videos on YouTube on how to install a wig. So hopefully this goes pretty well. So I'm just starting off by brushing my edges back because like I said, I've been walking around with these for the past week. I haven't gone anywhere though. The furthest I've been is to work. And my clients are not going to say anything about my hair. But why does my ring light keep doing that? What's not clicking, Steven? So yeah, I'm just brushing my hair back to get my edges out the way. Because let me tell y'all, I did another video about this. When I had a frontal done one time. This is the closure wig, but I had a frontal done one time. And my edges nearly came out. I was bald edged for like a whole freaking, whew, how do people even see what this thing on? This is what I learned on, this is what YouTube taught me in TikTok. So we're gonna go with this. The videos that I've been watching, they said that, damn, I can't see anything. Where them daggone scissors? All right, guys, I found the scissors. I'm gonna just start off by cutting my eyes out because, bear in mind, guys, this is my first time still in the wig, so y'all gonna have to please bear with me, please. I feel like the whole thing just split up. Is that normal? Guys, oh my gosh, am I doing this stuff wrong? I feel like I should speed this up so y'all don't have to listen to me talk. So I think I'm gonna do that until the bald cap is done. So,
Not even motivated, then dropping them jaws. I know what you are. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it straight to your face, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew it from the start, there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do Baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me?
Alright guys, so I have the ball cap on. I don't know how good I did, but this, like I said, this is my first time. So we're gonna rock with it. So now I'm taking some old powder that I had. It's like my summer shade of powders. And then I'm gonna take a makeup brush and I'm gonna put it on my cap and I'm gonna put it on my wig. But first I'm gonna put it on the cap. Yeah. Hood fan, everybody know my name when I come through. But don't nobody screaming like you. And I'm just putting it on the lace of my wig. I'm gonna spray this stuff. The Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray. I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna put the wig on, and then I'm gonna put the look at me. All right, I'm gonna do that.
Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We have it, that's all right. I'll show you something, give you more than I was. We have it, that's all right.
Y'all know, every time y'all see me spray that stuff on my head, I close my eyes, and that's because on my birthday this year, why did I spray got to be on my freaking eyeballs? Is this how it's supposed to look? Wait.
Give it to me, yeah. Please, please, don't teach me nothing. I want you to give it to me, yeah.
Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the.
Alright guys, I'm on the last step now. I'm literally just, I may pluck it somewhere though.
If you can take my hand, I promise we'll find love again. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You don't even say what's up. Round your bush, wax so tough. Like you never been in love. If you don't quit acting up, alone is where you're going enough. I promise. You may think that I'm crazy. You should ask around about me. Put your trust in me, baby. I wake from my slumber. Wish I could call you up. Miss how you put your love on me.
Boy, you got my number. Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me.
Hold on until the end. Hold on till you can't extend. I'll be clinging on to you. I'll be clinging on to you.
And then again, orbiting around and then circle back around to you. Coming back around to you. I'm coming back around and
Even on your worst day, love you in the worst way. Circling around for eternity. Going through the motions, eternally.
I'm on my own again. Reaching out to hold your hand. I wanna be alone with you. Can I be alone with you? Can I be alone with
Alright guys, here's the finished product. I'm just touching it up. So I'm adding some wax just to lay it down because it looks like it's sticking up a little bit. So I'm gonna add some wax. She just declined my call. And then some mousse. Then I have my hot comb and my straightener plugged up. But it does not look that bad. Like, it honestly, for my first time, it looks good. I just keep trying to fix my edges because I don't like them. But I don't think it looks bad. Like, it does not look that bad, in my opinion. I don't know about y'all, but and when I'm about to straighten it, I think it's gonna look better. But like, look at it. To not be a wig girl, like, I think it looks so good. All right, let me not boost myself. It don't look so good, but for my first time, I think it looks good. This wig better hang on for dear life. It's just, only thing I don't like, it feels like a helmet is on my head. That's why I don't wear wigs, because that thing be feeling like a helmet sitting straight on my head. But look how flat it is on this side now. Come on, guys. How does it look, guys? Talk to me nice. Or don't talk to me at all. Bust down 18-inch or 16-inch. I don't even know what inch this is. It's a good enough inch for me. I'm really proud of myself. I think I did a good job. For my first time putting on the wig, let me put it to the front. Anyway, that was my thumbnail again. Huh? I just installed this wig.
Let me see. That's not bad. That's not bad.
That's what I said for my very first time installing a wig.
That's not bad at all.
Alright guys, here's the finished product. No flitter, no flitter, no flitter. This is it. This is how it look. Guys, I literally cannot get the edges right and it's making me so annoyed. And here's the back. And there's the part. But what do you guys think? Like, if I rated myself, by looking in the mirror, I give myself a good, I'll say 7 or 8. For a first timer, what would you rate this? And if I keep practicing, I know I can really get there. But this is it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell button for my post notifications because I will be posting more and I have been posting more. Thank you guys for watching. Tay gang is the best gang.
But don't nobody screaming like you. I was having visions with you, doing things, switching lanes in a beamer with you.
We some rock stars and